Start with a circle for the face. Since it is tilted, draw a line along the direction. Follow drawing the body. For hands, first start drawing the lines followed by circles for knuckle. Now join the circle along the way. Erase the lines. Start shading. First, using 2B shade the complete drawing, using brush smoothen the shade. Followed by 4B similarly draw and smoothen with brush. Using 6B draw the dark areas. Last, using eraser highlight the parts.